So in the video I made of about 4 days ago, I talked about if it is profitable to start a YouTube channel in Zambia in 2023, and I explained what you should expect once you start a YouTube journey in Zambia and how money is made on YouTube. So if you haven't watched that video, I would really encourage you to start by watching that video first before watching this video. So I promised that I was going to make another video showing you many ways of actually making money in Zambia, because you can't make money on YouTube directly from Zambian views. So in this video I'm going to share up to 8 or 10 ways of actually making money on YouTube. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's begin. So how can you make money on YouTube in 2023? Okay, so the first way of making money on YouTube, okay, is obviously the already method you probably already know, which is applying for monetization. Okay, so let me just simply summarize on monetization. This is where you apply for monetization. When you get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours, apply for monetization, you get accepted, people start viewing ads on your YouTube videos, and you make money. So in the previous video I talked about that. Okay, you won't be able to make money from Zambian views unless from views from other countries. So that is when you can actually get to make money on YouTube in Zambia. Okay, so I won't spend more time on this. I already talked about this. So the second way of actually making money on YouTube is that once you get monetized on YouTube, go over to your channel YouTube studio on your computer, okay, and click on monetization. And on the monetization page, you're going to see a lot of ways you can actually make money on YouTube. So the first one is ads. This is where you apply for monetization. Okay, the second one is shopping. So what is shopping? So you can connect your online shop to YouTube, and when people are watching your videos, they can actually see some of your products down below, and they'll be able to buy or get redirected to your shop. So you can actually monetize or promote your products on YouTube, and you'll be able to make money. So I think this feature is available in Zambia. I have to confirm. It should be available in Zambia. So you click on connect shop. So you can connect to Shopify, Spreadshop, Spring. So Spreadshop and Spring, both of these I think are free. So what you should do is visit this website, search them on Google, create an account, sell anything there, and you'll be able to connect, and people will be able to see your products while they're watching your videos, and if they're interested they'll buy, and you're going to make money with that. So this is the second way. The third way you can actually make money on YouTube is memberships. So what are memberships? These are subscriptions where people join by paying a monthly fee, and when they pay you that money, you can actually offer something which you don't offer. For example, you can offer live streams for supporters only, or premium content for supporters only. So you choose how much you'd like to be charging per month. So let me include it here. The third one is actually memberships. Okay, so this one is not available in Zambia, but other people from other countries, they can join your membership. And okay, and the fourth way is supers. This is when you're actually live streaming. Okay, you'll be able to earn extra income from your live stream. Okay, it is similar to TikTok, I think. Yeah. Okay, so these are the four ways of making money on YouTube. Okay, but these are not the only ways you can actually make money on YouTube. There are so many ways you can use to make money on YouTube. So let's find out what are some of the ways. Okay, so the other way you can actually make money on YouTube is by becoming an influencer. So an influencer is just anybody who has got a large following. So if you've got a large following, okay, brands, people will actually contact you to promote their services or products, and you're going to make money with that. So of course for this you need to grow your audience, which can actually take time if this is when you're starting, but otherwise this is something actually doable over time. So yeah, so the sixth way of making money on YouTube is by being an affiliate, by joining any affiliate program. So this is the way I actually promote products on a YouTube channel and make money. And in one of my videos I showed you how I actually made nearly $1,000 from simply promoting products online. So with affiliate marketing, if your channel is not monetized, you'll be able to make money, because if you've got 10 subscribers, all you need to do is simply make a video, review a product. If someone is interested and they buy through your link, you actually make money. So this is a good way of actually making money on YouTube in Zambia. So the seventh way of actually making money on YouTube in Zambia is by using YouTube to generate traffic. So if you've got a social media page, a website, you can actually use YouTube to generate traffic. So let us say you say hair, you can simply make videos about hair, and when people watch those videos and if they're interested in hair, simply include the link in the description. People will click on that link and they'll visit whatever you're promoting, and you make money. I think this is how I've also used YouTube. So I've got a website, I've got a blog, and if I make a certain video, and if I direct people to learn more about something, I'll simply tell them, if you like to learn more about this, read the article on my website, and they'll be redirected to my website and you'll make money. So yeah, I think for now I'll end here. So I think these are the 7 ways you can actually use to make money in Zambia. I've actually tried 4 of these. So I've tried the monetization, I've tried the online shop, memberships. I've tried memberships as well, and influencer, not really, but I think I have. Affiliate, yes I have. Traffic, yes I do on a daily basis. So this is it on how you can actually make money on YouTube in Zambia. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.